appetizing sour pickle tofu soup. Ingredients are sour pickle, tofu, anchovies, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, carrot, and tomatoes. Tomatoes and sour pickles cut into small pieces. Tofu cut into small pieces. Cubes carrot. Add all ingredients except tofu into pot. After boil for 30 minutes, season with chicken cubes, pepper powder, and fish sauce at taste. Look at the soup. Wow, yummy. Add tofu. Cook until boiling. The soup is done. Sour pickles tofu soup is done. This soup is appetizing. This soup tastes salty sour. My family love it. Easy to make within 30 minutes. Optional to add fried bean curd if you like. Share this delicious soup recipe with your friends and family. They will love it too. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.